All right, the third rule of exponents is power to a power. And this one's pretty important. It gets confused a lot of times with the first rule. When do you multiply? When do you add? And so let's say we had 2 to the third squared. Okay? So this is an exponent to a power, or power to power. And you could again use the rules of, just use what you know about exponents. 2 to the third is 2 times 2 times 2. And then squared means, so all of this is squared, means we just do it twice. So it would be another 2 times 2 times 2. Or you have 6 total 2's, or 2 to the 6th power. And again, you could have gotten that by simply multiplying 3 times 2. So let's try a different one. So let's say you had x to the 5 thirds. Well, that is x to the 15th. And again, you could have just simply done x to the 5th times x to the 5th times x to the 5th, because it's x to the 5th cubed. Well, with first rules of exponents, 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15, so this is x to the 15th. So you can kind of go about this in different methods, and you don't even really need this rule in terms of, you can almost derive it if you understand just simply what an exponent is. But the one that gets people, that everyone seems to struggle with, is what happens when you have a problem like this. Maybe we have 5xy to the 4th cubed. Okay. So this is a little bit more complicated. Hit pause and see if you can answer it quick. See if you can do it. So what you have to know to do on this case is the cubed goes with everything. So 5 cubed, x cubed, y to the 12th. So because you got power to power here, 4 times 3, this is x to the 1st times 3. And this is 5 to the 1st times 3. So your cubed goes with everything in there. So this is 125 x to the 3rd, y to the 12th. And it works similarly if you have a fraction. So let's say you had 2x over 3y squared to the 3rd power. Okay, well that would be, so again, pause the video, see if you can get this. Again, that since the cube goes in the parentheses, it goes with everything in there. So you'd have 2 to the 3rd power, which is 8, x to the 3rd power, because this is a 1 again. So 1 times 3 is 3. On the bottom, you'd have 3 to the 3rd power. Well, 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27. And then it'd be y to the 6th power. So those are the two types of problems that end up making it difficult. So hopefully this helps you, and now you know power to power, and good luck and see you next time.